got a bottle of Patron and some lights off. Two red devil looking eyeballs.
Hey guys, back with another video from my addicted blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing how you can set your own wallpaper or image on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and use it as a slideshow. So if you have set a number of images on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, each time it will just turn off the display, a new image will be popping up. So if I just turn off the display and just click on the button of the watch face will be changing. So this is definitely a really useful feature which you can set on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And also each of the watch face comes with the always on display. So the always on display will be the dimmed version of the image which you have set for the watch face. So we will see how we can set this type of watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and how we can create this slideshow in here. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to sales, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So to do this, you have to come to the Galaxy Wearable app, which is the official app for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And once you are in this app, it is really simple. You have to come to the watch faces option, and in the watch faces you will get a lot of watch faces, but you have to select one particular watch to set the image as a wallpaper on this watch. So for this you have to come down and you will get this option of basic watch faces in the Galaxy Wearable app, and in the basic you have to just scroll right and select the My Photo Plus watch face. Here you can customize the watch face, and to customize you have to come to the background of the watch face, and here in the gallery you have to choose the images which you want to show as a slideshow. So I have selected 4 images. You can select more than that, and once you are done you have to click on save, and that's it. The images will be saved on your watch and they can be viewed as a slideshow on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Also, if you don't want to use the slideshow option, what you can do, you can set a single watch face. So for that you need to delete the other images and set only one image in here, which will enable you to show a single image all the time on your watch, which is also a really good thing. If you don't like the slideshow option, you can do that. And definitely once you have done, image will be set with the always on display in here. And also in the customization you will be getting the option to change the clock style and also the clock type and other options. So there are definitely a lot of customization options for the Samsung Galaxy Watch for each and every watch face you will be setting. And here you can also change the clock color, the compilation, 4 compilations which you can set, which are the app shortcuts. And once you are set, you can basically use the watch a lot more easier in there. And also in the complications you can change the complication color as per your choice. So this is what I wanted to show you, that you can set your images on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and also make it a slideshow, and definitely it looks good on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.